Look at him. Look at him. Ooh, ooh, look at him. 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 Now, y'all want to know how I achieve these eyebrows? You want to know how I got them? You want to know how I got them? No, I didn't pay to get them tinted. Nope, I did not. I achieved it with this. This just for me. You know, well, just for men. You know, that just for me commercial growing up stuck in my head. But just for men, beard hair dye. That's how I achieve this look. If you want to see it, keep on watching.
You driving me wild, you driving me so crazy.
Now we're gonna get into the fun part. I'm gonna go in with my Just for Men. Let me see. Go in with my Just for Men mustache and beard hair dye in the color dark brown. I've been using this for about a year. Once I realized what I could do with it and how it would work for me, I started using it. And I loved it because the results were instantly, you know, and they lasted, I think it lasted me a week or two, maybe longer. It just depends on how hard you scrub your eyebrows, you know. And obviously, if you wear makeup and stuff, you're gonna be scrubbing your eyebrows with your makeup wipes or makeup remover. So it may not last as long as it does for me, for you. So to start off, I go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I go in with a lighter shade just to line it up, line up my eyebrow. So, you know, dye don't get nowhere it's not supposed to be. You're going to need concealer brush, an angled brush, and a spoolie, and the dye. Oh, and the dye comes with the color developer and the color base. And what I do, and it comes with this little tray. It comes with a brush too, but the brush is too, you know, it's for a beard or something. So it's like this. What's that gonna do for me? What's that gonna do for me? Nothing. So to start off, it's 1-to-1 ratio. So to start off, I just put a dot in there like that. And then you go in with the color developer, and I just put another dot like that next to each other. And then I just mix it together, just like that, and just mix it. That's all I do, mix, 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 mix. So let's go in with my concealer. I just take a little bit, just a little bit, just that much right there. Now I go underneath my eyebrows. You know what? Because sometimes I go in, I do it after I put the dye in. I do it afterwards, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it before, just to help some people out, because some people may not, you know, be able to do that, and they may be scared that they are going to take some of the dye off. So let me do it before. I've been thinking about doing a what I've been watching, you know, Netflix or Hulu thing, quarantine, what I've been watching during this quarantine and stuff. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all want to see that. But I must say though, now, I've been watching 911, and that show will get you. It's on Hulu with Angela Bassett. That show will get you, and it will have you in your feelings, child. Tuh. That show. And I've been watching Criminal Minds because I'm a Criminal Minds like addict. Like, I can finish a season, I can finish the whole, no, all the seasons and go back and start over again from season 1. And it's gotten to the point to where I know which episode it is just by the beginning of the episode. And it's crazy. And my husband be looking at me all types of crazy, like, why do you know this? Can I watch the show? Be quiet. So this is so I just lined the bottom. That's it. Okay, so my light died, but I'm back. My eyebrows, you know, I lined them with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. My dye is right here. I mixed it. And so now all I'm gonna do is go in with it on my eyebrows. Make sure you guys can see. Like I said, I don't line the top of my eyebrows with the concealer. I don't feel it's really necessary for me. But if you think you'll feel more comfortable doing it that way, then go ahead. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. You know, the dye is gonna take to the hairs that's there, you know. So it's gonna it'll stain the skin a little bit, you know, just to give it that really like brushed effect. Is the first day or two, it's most likely gonna look like you filled them in, because it's gonna be like an outline almost, which I really don't mind at all. This is just how I do it. And if I get some on my skin where somewhere I don't want it, I either take a Q-tip on my finger and just clean it up. And on here it says let it sit for 5 minutes, but I'm extra, and I let mine sit for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Or it honestly, when I remember to take it off. This feels so good once I get this done, because it's like I don't have to do my eyebrows, you know? I can just wake up, throw some lip gloss on, and go. Or maybe throw on some lashes too, you know. This concealer looks so peachy on my skin. I think this is why I only use this concealer for my my eyebrows when I'm doing this, because I got it thinking, oh, this will be good, this will work for me, and looking at it, it's just not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. Okay, now I'm sure you can see how it's coming out, how it's coming out so far, you know. As you can see, it's darkening up too. I'm going to find something to do while I wait for this to dry and everything. So I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I let it sit for a little bit. I didn't let it sit for as long as I normally do because I have something to do in a little bit. So I got my paper towel, I wet it. You can use a rag if you want, if you don't care about, you know, the dye possibly not coming out. But I'm just gonna use a paper towel and wipe it off. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, I think next time I'm gonna do what I normally do and leave it on for longer, but it's not bad at all. It's dark enough. Nah, I'm really looking at it. It's dark enough for me. Now let me see. Do the other one. This is all I do. Just wipe it off. Wipe, 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 wipe. Wipe, 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 wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe, 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 wipe it off. Wipe it off. I don't know if y'all just got that, you know, reference, that little beat there. Off her Norbit. Pump, 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 pump me up. Pump, 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 pump it down. Pump, 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 pump it up. Yeah, wipe, 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 wipe it off. Wipe, 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 wipe it off. Wipe, 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 wipe. This concealer don't want to come off. It's dried down, so it don't want to come off my face. Well, I can say one thing, that's some good concealer. Cause it don't want to come off. It don't want to come off at all. So ladies, if y'all looking for concealer, this e.l.f. Camo concealer, it'll work wonders. If you're looking for concealer, get that e.l.f. Cause it don't want to come off at all. It'll have your brows highlighted and arched to the gods all day. Okay, now I'm just gonna, well, it's a little damp. Well, no, it's fine. It's take this little piece of this dry paper towel and just, you know, dab my eyebrows just a little bit, just dab them. And this is the finished product. See? They don't look bad. And I know y'all judging me for my nails. I know y'all are. And it's okay because my nail stuff came, so they will be looking good again soon. Soon, okay? But, yep, there we go. That's done. Now, if you guys have made it through this whole video, leave a purple heart down below in the comments. And I also thank you for watching this video and coming to my channel to support. It is greatly appreciated. Now, I need all of y'all that want to have eyebrows, but you weren't blessed with the eyebrows that, you know, you wanted, those thick, lovely, luscious eyebrows, to go ahead and go get you this box of Just for Men and give it a try. And, you know, let me know how it goes for you. Because honestly, I don't think I'm ever gonna pay, you know, I'm not gonna say ever, but I don't think I'm gonna pay anytime soon for somebody else to tint my eyebrows when I have this. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos.
Wow, you're driving me so crazy. Got me acting